what's in the mastermind. Your wish is my command. I don't want this to end. The limitations, limitations. Your wish is my command. However you demand. No limitations, limitations. Whatever you want, however you want, whoever you want.
Hello everyone! Today I will be drawing a dragon idea from this comment with these emojis. I will draw ALASTOR from Hasbin Hotel. And I have an offer for you. I have my own Telegram channel. As soon as I draw a new dragon idea, I will publish it there. If you want to be in my next video, then send me a photo of the dragon you've made based on my idea, and I will add the best works to my next video. And as you may have noticed, I added dragons from subscribers at the beginning of the video based on the previous idea I drew. And if you want your dragon based on my idea to be in my video, subscribe to my Telegram channel. And by the way, I am interacting with you there and answering some questions. Be sure to sign your dragons and write your nickname. And don't forget to leave emojis in the comments under the video so I can draw the next dragon based on them. And I continue to draw ALASTOR. We are shaping the deer's jaw. I'll draw a nose. Let's draw a smile with big sharp teeth. Now I'll draw the eyes. I'll draw the ears. And now I'll draw the hairstyle. Let's draw a monocle. Now let's draw small horns. I'll draw the color of the fur. Now we start coloring ALASTOR. This is the idea of the dragon ALASTOR I got on my hand. Write your emojis in the comments and I will draw the next dragon based on them. And don't forget to subscribe. Good luck to everyone.